Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel dear viewers. In front of me MOTOROLA Razr 40 Ultra device, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this smartphone. So it's not difficult to do. Firstly, we need to open the control panel, and firstly we need to disable all unnecessary features. So if you have enabled Wi-Fi and mobile data both, you need to disable one of them, because when both of them are enabled, they are constantly searching for their networks. So Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi service constantly searching for nearby Wi-Fi devices, Wi-Fi networks, and mobile data are constantly searching for 5G, 4G, or other type of mobile internet connection. Disable Bluetooth if you don't need it right now. Disable disable nearby share, disable location services, so we need to find it. Disable NFC, disable, I can't find nearby share. Okay, nearby share I have disabled, so disable it. Disable portable hotspot if you don't need it right now. And of course we need to disable location services. To do it, click on the pencil button, then scroll down, find location services here, then hold it and drag to the upper part of your screen. Go back, and now as you can see we have location here, and now we can disable it and click close. Great. The next step is to reduce the screen brightness. So we have screen reducing a lot of battery power, so we need to reduce the screen brightness to improve battery life. And as you can see here, I have dark theme enabled, and interface of all applications, system application, and not system installed application too. So I have a dark or black interface. It's because I have dark theme enabled. If you have enabled the dark theme in dark places, in black places, your screen is just disabled and not consuming battery power source. Now, for example, maybe only 20% or maybe 15% of my screen is working right now, but black places, so our screen is created from thousands of micro LED lamps. Because it's OLED screen, yes, and it means that here in the dark places, so lamps can't create black color, and in this way, in black places, our screen is just disabled. Great, that's it. And the last aspect you can do to improve battery life on your device is to open the settings, then scroll down, find here battery, and here we have battery saver, and we can enable battery saver mode. Battery saver mode will limit the background processes, and in this way your smartphone will think less, and it means that live longer, and of course it will enable the screen auto timeout smaller, so your screen will be disabled after 15 seconds, but not for 1 or 2 minutes, for example. And of course it will limit the performance of your processor. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.